Alright, so now we're going to be doing part 2 of the MG series, and that's going to be the belt replacement. Let's bring some light over, make it a little bit better for you guys to see. So we're going to take this guy and loosen him first. And actually there's another one too that I just seen, and 13 is broken. Okay, so in order to remove the belt, there's going to be 3 bolts that need to be taken off, and those 3 bolts are, well, not taken off, loosened I should say, are this one, and this one. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to loosen up this one first. Oh, God. That was tight. Okay. So we're loose there. We're going to come here. We're going to loosen up this one. There, and the last one is down here, which seems to be a 15, or we can come on this side for a 13. No, we'll take the 15. Oh, jeez. Okay, so there we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. As you can tell, everything already started to drop, so we'll just take and help it and remove the belt. Now, if I give you guys, the belt was starting to crack. There we go. Was it all the way? No, but at the same time, I don't know how old this belt actually is, so I'd rather not take the chance, and we'll just replace it. It was probably starting to stretch out a little too much too. Let's check. Oh yeah. So right off the bat, the belt stretched. So we're gonna install the new one. Well, you guys can't really see that, can you? There you go. So I'm pulling on both as hard as I can. And as you can see, there's still like deflection into the one that was onto the vehicle, which is this one. So the belt was stretched, so we're going to take it and replace it. And give you guys a way to tighten this guy. We're going to try it like this, see if it works. I don't want to damage the paint, so it might work, might not work. There we go, like that. And on these type of belts, always over tighten them because they do end up becoming loose. Not right away, but after a couple of years, well, or even a couple of miles or kilometers, which if you're in the States or Canada, it will become loose. So it's just always better to over tighten it so that it's always going to have the proper tension. that's all there is to replacing the belt on an MG. This is the 1980 model. I'm pretty sure that all the other models are pretty much the exact same. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment.